Okay, so in the previous video, we created a variable and we inserted it into this document. And the variable was just a number that was the same number. We called it the cool variable, and it was the same number that was in a table. Now I want to show you, just kind of extending that concept, we can make text itself depend on the values of variables that we've got in Microsoft Excel. So suppose we wanted to say that the cool variable is really big if it's above, let's say, 5,000, and not that big otherwise. So if it's smaller than 5,000, then it's not that big. So what we could do is just create a simple bit of Excel logic. We could say if this number is greater than 5,000, we would say which is really big. Otherwise, which is not that big at all. And so that's kind of a new variable. So we're going to link to that. We're going to link to that. That's that bit of a sentence, and we'll call it the size of variable. Size of variable. And what we're going to do is just save that, and we'll upload this Excel bit. And let's just see that it works, by the way. So instead of having 9999, I've got here 50. So this is what I really meant to do. There we go. So if it's greater than 5,000, we'll say which is really big. If it's less than 5,000, then it's not that big at all. So let's just change that number to, let's say, 4,000. So now it says which is not that big at all. So we're just going to save that, and we will upload this Excel file. And then we'll go to our Word document here, and we're just going to amend this sentence. So the cool variable is cool variable, so we're entering whatever word it is, and then we're going to enter the sentence. So the cool variable is cool variable, and then we're going to output the size of variable, the rest of the sentence, which talks about the size of the variable. And I could if I wanted to, I could put a comma here. It doesn't make much difference, but this allows me to show that when you're entering a bunch of variables in succession, we do need to make sure that it's not styled as a variable. So if we click on the Home tab and look at the style, you can see that comma is currently styled as a variable. We just want to get rid of that. So we can go clear emphasis, or make sure that, or normal, just highlight it and change it back to normal style. Then I'm going to hit save. The Excel file is already uploaded, but we've now modified our Word file, so we want to upload that. So I'm just going to go make PDF inside Word. And now, as usual, what's happening is the Word file is being sent to Epsillion server, and everything that's been uploaded to Epsillion server is being processed into our PDF. And if all has gone correctly, we should see that the table number has updated to, instead of 9999, we should see about 4,000, and this cool variable should change to 4,000, and we should get this sentence that now depends on the value of cool variable, which is now totally dynamic. So we built up a lot of anticipation here. Let's see if this actually pulls through. So we've got this new document. Epsillion Publisher has created our new document. We scroll down. There we go. So our new sentence is the cool variable is 4,000, which is not that big at all. So now we've got this text, which is totally dynamic and depends on the value that is in this table. And we've also got this variable that depends on that same value. And we could change, just to show that it works the other way, let's try entering 6,000. Right, so we enter 6,000, and it should now say which is really big. Right now, all we have to do is say make PDF inside the Excel document, and now what's happening is Epsillion is sending that Excel document to the server and say, okay, let's remake everything based on the new Excel document and everything we've uploaded previous to that. And if everything has gone correctly, we should see that we have a new cool variable, and the sentence should change dynamically based on the new value of it. And in addition to that, the table should be updated too. So there we go. We've got our new document. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see, there we go, the cool variable is now 6,000, which is really big. So that our sentence has changed based on the update in our Excel document. You can see that the table has changed too. So again, like I say, this is a really powerful feature that allows you to do a lot of things with Epsillion Publisher that you really can't do with Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel on their own. So that is creating a dynamic sentence based on data in your Microsoft Excel document.